Hello friends, welcome to my channel Nidhi Bhasin mathematics classes. Till now I have discussed two basic operations of mathematics, addition and multiplication. Today I am discussing one more fundamental operation of mathematics, that is subtraction. So let's get started. So today's topic is fundamentals of subtraction. In subtraction again I am going to take first of all collection of objects. Is it clear? There's certain number in that collection, and from that collection I am going to take away few items. So obviously the number of items in that collection will go down. So this is called subtraction. When we take away something from the collection and the number of items in the collection goes down, this is called subtraction. That means we are trying to make the number of items in the collection lesser. So here I am with one example. I have taken 7 crosses. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Out of these 7, if I am taking away 5 crosses, if I am taking away 5 crosses, that means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So how many I am left with? 2. So this collection number of items have gone down from 7 to 2. How? When I have taken away 5 from them. So this is the real number which I have. This is the bigger number. We always subtract from the bigger number. Okay. Smaller it will become only if I will take from bigger number some part of it, and then we get the answer. So here I am with number 7. This is the number of items which I have taken away. So this is called the difference. Difference of 2 items. 7 minus 5 will become 2. This sign of subtraction is called minus. Okay. How we will put minus? This way. There are other words which we use in the chapter of subtraction, that is difference. So here in place of subtract we can use find the difference between these two numbers. Okay. Difference means how these number became lesser. From bigger number, how did we come to lesser number? So that will show us that from bigger number, how many numbers I have subtracted to get a lesser number. So this is the sign of minus, and this is our answer, which is called, answer in subtraction is called difference. And this is the subtraction fact. We have done addition fact, we have done multiplication fact. In subtraction, when we write it like this, it becomes subtraction fact. Now I am taking subtract 5 from 11. What does it mean? That bigger number is 11. From that number I have to subtract 5. I am not going to write it like this, 5 minus 11. Most of the students make this mistake. They write first number at the first place, second number at the second place. When I have said from, like I use one English sentence, bring this from your mother. So that means first you have to go to your mother and then you will bring something. Is it clear? So that's why the same way subtract 5 from 11. That means 11 is the first number. 11 is to be taken at the first place. Okay. And what is to be done? Subtract. That means minus sign will come. By how much number? 5. I have been given subtract 5 from 11. Please take care of this, that from 11 means 11 will be the first number, 5 will be the second number. Okay. Bigger number minus smaller number. Is it clear? Now in addition I told you to count forward. In subtraction we count in the reverse way. Okay. Now from 11 I have to subtract 5. So I am raising 5 fingers. Is it clear? From 5 I have from 11 I have to do reverse counting, keeping 11 in my mind. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. So 6 is my answer. The answer on the last finger will be my answer. See, from 11 I have done the reverse counting how many times? 5 times. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. How many steps I have taken in the reverse counting? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Fifth point has given me my answer. Is it clear? Now I am telling you vertical subtraction. How to do vertical subtraction? We have done vertical addition. In that also I had told you column method, tens and ones. Find the difference between 24 and 46. Now you can see the word difference here. I am not using subtraction. I am using word difference. This I told you very clearly. First you have to take the bigger number and then you have to take the smaller number. So what is the bigger number here? I will be writing tens and ones. This is tens column, this is ones column. What is the bigger number in this 24 and 46? 46. Is it clear? So I will be writing 4 at the tens place, 6 at the ones place. Minus sign will come here as we use plus sign or multiplication sign. Then we will write 24. Now again I will do reverse counting. From 6 I have to take how many steps backward? 4. I will raise 4 fingers. Is it clear? 6 in my mind. 7, 8, 9. This is I am moving ahead. But if I have to do reverse counting because this is subtraction, how I will be doing? 6 is in my mind. 5, 4, 3, 2. So this is 2. I have done reverse counting. Keep this in mind. From 4, I have to subtract 2. I will be raising 2 fingers. 4 is in my mind. 3, 2. So this is the answer. 22 is the answer if I am finding the difference. Difference and subtraction. These are the two words which we are going to use in this chapter of subtraction between two numbers. We always subtract smaller number from the bigger number. So bigger number will come on the top, smaller number will come on at the bottom. Now I am taking rules of subtraction. When we subtract 0 from a number, the number remains unchanged. Suppose I have a collection of 7 crosses. When I am not taking away any item out of it because it is 0, so that means nothing. If I am not taking anything out of it, the number remains unchanged, right? 7 minus 0 will be 7. That means if I am subtracting 0 from any number, 0 from, that means 0 is at the second place, first is the number. From number I am subtracting 0, the number will remain unchanged. Second, when we subtract number from itself, 0 as the answer. We get 0 as the answer. Like we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I am taking 7 crosses. Clear? From 7 crosses, if I am taking away 7 crosses, I am taking away 7 crosses out of 7 crosses. What I am left with? I am left with nothing. Right? So here we have 7 minus 7 is 0. From the number, if I subtract the number itself, answer will be 0. When we subtract 1 from a number, we get the number that comes just before, because in subtraction we go backwards. We do reverse counting. So I have to take one step backwards. If I am subtracting 1 from 10, that means I have to take one step backward. What will be? It will be 9. From 12, if I am subtracting 1, I am taking one step backward. What will be the answer? Answer will be 11. So if I am subtracting number from itself, so I am getting 0. But if I am subtracting 0 from a number, I am getting the number same. And if I am subtracting 1 out of it, that means I am taking one step backward. Now I am taking number 92. It can be written as, how many tens are there into this? In this number, 9 tens plus 2 ones. 9 tens plus 2 ones. This 9 tens can be written as 8 tens plus 1 tens plus 2 ones. This 2 is coming as it is. I have split this 9 into 2 parts. One part is 8, one part is 1. Is it clear? Both are carrying tens with it. Now this tens, I am trying to make this a part of ones. So to make it ones, from 1 tens, if I have to go to ones, it is always equal to 10 ones. Is it clear? So we can write 8 tens as it is. This 1 tens will become 10 ones. I am explaining once again. 1 tens will become 10 ones. Right? Plus 2 ones. Now these two are the part of ones. This alone is the part of tens. So this way in subtraction we move 1 tens to ones. Is it clear? How I am doing it? From tens I am taking 1 and I am adding that to ones. How we are adding? We are going to change this tens into 10 ones. And whatever number is there in the ones, to that we will add this 10. So this will become 8 tens plus 12 ones. 10 ones plus 2 ones will become 12 ones. Now I have this question. Subtract 38 from 63. From 63 means I have to take 63 as a bigger number, 38 as a smaller number. From 63 means 63 will be coming in the first column and 38 will be coming in the second column. These are the values of tens, these are the values of ones. Now you can see that in ones 3 is less than 8. We can't subtract bigger number from smaller number. So what I have to do? I have to borrow 1 tens from tens family. From tens family I will borrow 1 tens. How I will borrow? We borrow 1 tens from tens column. So how it will come to ones? It will change 1 tens to 10 ones. When I will change this, I will take 1 from it. This will become 10 plus 3 is equal to 13. This ones, this tens, when it will come to ones, it will become 10 ones. 10 ones plus already 3 ones was there. So that's why we will add that and it will become 13 ones. Clear? Again I am explaining. From tens, if I am taking 1 tens towards ones family. From tens family, we are going to ones family. We are taking 1 tens from tens family and we are shifting it to ones family. When I will shift it to ones family, that 1 tens will become equal to 10 ones. Since it has become 10 ones and we are adding that to already present ones here. So that will become 10 from which has shifted here plus this number which was already there. So this will become 13 ones. So this 63 will change into, how this will change? 6 tens will become 5 tens. Here 9 tens was becoming 8 tens because we were taking 1 tens towards 1 ones, from ones. 6 tens plus 3 ones will become 5 tens. This 3 ones will change to 13 ones. Why? Because 1 ten shifted here, it changes into 10 and then plus already number. So it will become 13 ones. In a case, if I get this as 60 minus 38, then what I will do? Clear? Yeah, in this place I don't have any number. I have 0 here. So what I will do? This will reduce by 1 and I am shifting 1 tens here. 1 tens is equal to 10 ones. So since I don't have any number here, this number will get added to 10 and what I will get? 10 only. So 10 minus 8 will be 2. 5 minus 3 will be 2. So this will be my answer. I am repeating once again. From tens family, if I have to take one number towards the ones family, it will change to 10 ones and then we will add it to the first column number of ones family. Whatever number is there, to that we will add that 10, and then that number will become our number from which I have to subtract the smaller number. Now from here I am coming to my original question which I was taking. Since this had become 13, this is the number now, from which I will subtract 8. How I will subtract 8? I will do reverse counting. How many fingers I will raise? I will be raising 8 fingers. 8 fingers I have raised. From 13, I will go in the backward counting. 13 is my mind. 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. This 5 was my last figure. So this will come here. And from 5, if I have to subtract 3, this is 5 and I have to subtract 3. So I will first raise 3 fingers and I will do the reverse counting. How I will do? 4, 3, 2. So this 25 is my answer. Is it clear? We are taking reverse counting. Two things we are doing in subtraction. First, what you should need to keep in mind, from means that from that number we have to subtract, that will come as a first column number. Second thing, regrouping. When we do regrouping in subtraction, then how we will be doing it? We are going to shift 1 tens to the ones family and it will become 10 ones. It will add it to the present ones, and then we are going to change this number to the number we have calculated. From that, subtraction will take place. If this regrouping is taking place only in one case, when the first column number is lesser than the second column number. Clear? And third thing, you have to do the reverse counting. You will raise the fingers, you will keep the number in mind, the number given, and you will subtract the number, whatever number is given to you. Now I am doing how to take the checking part of the subtraction. Whatever answer we get in subtraction, that we take as difference. Smaller number is always in the second column, bigger number is always in the first column. So what we are going to do, we are going to move backwards. Difference plus bigger number should be equal to bigger number. Difference plus smaller number will be equal to bigger number. Like I have done this sum. 71 is the bigger number, 23 is the smaller number. If I have to shift, since 1 is less than 3, here the original number was 71. In 71, this number will change to this 1 is less than 3. So how I am going to change? I will be taking 1 tens towards ones family. So 1 tens is equal to 10 ones, which will be added to this ones. So this will become 11 ones. And this tens will change to 6. 7 will change to 6 and 1 will change to 11. 48 is the difference. For checking part, what we need to do? Difference plus smaller number. What is the difference? 48. Smaller number is 23. When you will add this, you are getting the bigger number. So this bigger number, if you are getting here, that means your answer is right. But if you are not getting bigger number, that means something is wrong with your answer. Smaller number will remain as it is, bigger number will remain as it is. You have to correct your answer, that is difference. Now I am taking how to check that these problems are of subtraction in the statement problems. What are the words which will hint you that you have to subtract in this problem? First problem, if you have something has left. Left means it has gone. Gone means that it is no more a part of the family. When something has left, that means you have to subtract in that problem. Something got removed. You had 12 bananas, 2 were removed. That means you have to subtract. When remove means something has gone out. When something is gone out, that means we are decreasing. Means we are decreasing, we are doing the reverse counting, that means we are doing subtraction. Absent. Total students in the class are 44, 17 are absent. So they can ask you how many are present. So how will you find? Absent means removed. From total something has been removed. So that means number is decreasing. When decreasing, you have to subtract. Sold. I had 20 books. 10 was sold. That means number has decreased from 20 to some number. So if we are decreasing, subtraction is the operation which we have to do through. I had 12 bananas, 2 got rotten, so I threw them. So again the number has decreased. We have come from the bigger number to a smaller number. And how do we come? By subtracting. So these words will hint you that you have to follow the subtraction operation in these problems. Thank you for your support. Please like, share, subscribe my channel, Nidhi Bhasin Mathematics Classes. Keep sharing, keep learning. Thank you.